you. I do that 3, 4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all, and I'm around, you're scared to do. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around.
Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 9. I think it is day 9. Y'all, yesterday I haven't really been ending the vlogs. But yesterday I was low-key like going through it a little bit. Don't want to get into that much detail, but just know that your girl's back outside. Another failed talking stage, but he's broke, I'm up. The fuck? Any motherfucking who, a bad bitch could be sad for a little bit, but we gonna pop out. Like, what go down this weekend? My whole table's a mess. My bed ain't made. But right now I am about to work out. One thing about me, like, no matter what I'm going through in life, I never let it affect my daily routine. Like, I still gonna work out, still gonna eat right, I'm still gonna work, I'm still gonna do what I normally do. Like, it could be the worst day of my life and I'm still gonna do what I gotta do, type shit, you know? But yeah, you know, things happen for a reason. Don't get into detail, but things happen for a reason. I'm trusting in God's timing. I know what I want. I know what I don't want. And if someone's unsure about me, you ain't gotta tell me twice. You do not gotta tell me twice. You know? I'm ready to get drunk. I'm ready to get lit. I mean, I was gonna plan on getting lit anyways, because we're celebrating my sister this weekend. Hopefully she'll find her wedding dress that she's been searching for. But now I have another excuse to get more lit, because I'm like a little bit sad. But it's okay. You know, it's okay to be sad for a bit, and then you can just, you know, pop out. Show them what they're missing. Because I'm the prize, not you. Me. Next caller. Anywho, let's go work out, y'all.
So you know you love this one. It's all about that sassiness. All right, here's what we talked about. We kick with our right leg to the side. Key is up. No, it's in fire. You'll pop lower. Put him on his knees, give something to believe in. Now you know what's happening. It's trying to get lower.
Okay guys, I'm done working out. I'm eating my breakfast. So I have me an avocado toast with turkey, ham, no, just turkey with egg whites, cheese, and salsa verde, and then the same thing for a tortilla. Here's the salsa. I have my water, my coffee from yesterday. And what are you eating, Momo? Yeah. And I'm about to change this to All Affairs. Remember the lawyer show? Okay guys, so I'm in the car now. It's a lot later. It's almost 5 p.m. I am on the way to Hobby Lobby, Kroger, and Walmart. I have an order for this weekend. Only took one order this weekend because Saturday I'm gonna be really busy with my sister and my family. So, and then also I had a last minute order for pan de polvo cookies. So yeah, we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby because I need to get glitter. I need to get cake boxes. Oh my god, sorry y'all, that was like a little buzz. a little gnat or a little fly. Some cake boxes. Then at Walmart and Kroger, I'm just gonna get some like cake ingredients that I need for my orders. And that's pretty much it. And then when I get home, I'm gonna bake. And then I also have to do some things tonight. Like I need to make my Christmas list. I still haven't done that. I don't even know what I want, but I have to like look because I don't know. And then I also, my sister, she's planning on asking her bridesmaids to be her bridesmaid. So she wants me to do these little like hand sanitizer things where it says, I forgot what it says, but it says like, I think the location of where her wedding's gonna be at, and then like the date, so that she could ask her bridesmaids. I think that would be really cute. So, but since I have like sticker paper and my Cricut, like I can make it like that and like cut them out. So we're at Kroger now, and we're here looking for vitamins and also, you know, my baking stuff. We went to Hobby Lobby already, and I got what I needed. Plus I got this cute little Grinch mat thing that like you can use to get stuff out the oven. It's so cute. I can't wait to show y'all. And fun fact, I used to work at Kroger. For those that don't know, I worked at Kroger for like over a year at 3 different locations. But yeah, it's like kind of nostalgic. I never worked at this Kroger, but I worked at the other Kroger. And honestly, like their management sucks booty, y'all. Booty, for real. So I'm back home. We just put on a Christmas movie. I got my gingerbread on. Let's start baking. Y'all, so I just had to DIY a box for this 16-inch cake. Well, it's a 12-inch cake, but on a 16-inch board. Honestly, like, I can never find a cake box for this big of a cake. So I kind of put 2 half-sheet cake box together. And yeah, I made it work. And I'm so excited because last time this happened, I used the 12-inch boxes and it did not work that well. So, period. So it's later now. I am waiting for my pizza to be done out of the oven. I made this mac and cheese from Trader Joe's. And here's my cake for this weekend. Now we wait for the pizza to be done because I want some pizza. It's margarita pizza. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. Today is December 11th. And right now I'm gonna head to the gym. I have my gym fit on. Here's my fit. Honestly, I feel like I need new gym clothes. I'm the type of person that repeats outfits at the gym because I don't care. Like, I'm just there to work out. But like, I want some cute gym clothes. I feel like I should definitely put that on my Christmas wish list. Yes. And y'all, I think I'm feeling a little bit better. I have been a little bit emo the past couple days. But it's okay. You know, life goes on. And I'm just blessed that I woke up today. And yeah, I've just been praying a lot to God. I always pray anyways, but I feel like God has really helped me in times when I need him the most. And I know he's working overtime on me. And I feel it in my heart. But yeah. Actually, I think I'm going to church on Sunday. because I didn't go to church last Sunday because of my pop-up. So it's been a little bit. And I don't remember if I went to church the Sunday before, but I love going to church. I feel like it just heals me. Like, it just gives me a reset, gets me ready for the new week. I get to pray. I get to go eat the body and drink the blood. Like, it just makes me feel really good. So can't wait for Sunday. But right now, I'm going to the gym. Today's leg day. Wait, no. Today are arms. Yes, arms and back. That's what we're doing today. I'm going to do the treadmill again for another 28 minutes. Hopefully in 2 weeks, I'll be able to do 30 minutes on the stairs. Like, that's crazy, y'all. I remember, like, when I couldn't even do 2-3 minutes. Like, the old Annalisa would be like, girl, we're doing 28 minutes. Like, that's insane. Literally. Look at the heat. The papacito. Say hi, Vlogmas. Say hi, Vlogmas. Girl, he wants to go outside. Like, he wants to go on a WALK. I can't say the word because he'll go crazy. But, and my grandma, she's at Las Tiendas right now with her cousins. She told me if I want anything from there, I'll let her know. But honestly, like, I might just make breakfast here. Not too sure when I get back. And then we also have to go pick up some t-shirts that I bought from Texas Tees. So I am back home. I'm about to watch the new episode of The Kardashians. I had my breakfast. I feel like I eat the same thing every day. But avocado toast with ham, sausage and cheese, and green salsa. Same thing with a taco. And some queso, salsa verde, chips, orange juice, and water. And yeah.
I'm not, long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it.